Hello everyone, I am Sonam from Pabbly team and this video is going to be very interesting for all the users who are selling any kind of courses or trainings online. Okay, so imagine that I am selling a course via Pabbly Subscription Billing software. Let's say you are selling it via Razorpay, Instamozo or any other software. Now, whenever the user is making the payment, whenever the user is actually purchasing the course, how do you actually enroll the same user to your course in any of your learning management software? Maybe in Teachable, Thinkific, Zenler. Well, if you are enrolling the same person manually to your learning management software, then believe me, you are wasting your crucial time in doing this repetitive task. Because here I am going to teach you how you can automate the process. Basically, whenever the user is making the payment in Pabbly subscription billing software or in any selling software, how you can automatically, I'm repeating this again, how you can automatically enroll the same user to a course in software like Teachable. So let me even show you the live example of this automation. This is the course I am selling, 45 days aerobics fitness program. Let me open this course, okay? And I am going to actually buy this course, and you will see when I will make a payment as a user, I will be added to my Teachable course automatically, to this 45 days aerobics fitness programs automatically. Let me open this course in my Teachable account as well. Okay, and you can see this is my course and here are the students which are already enrolled into this course. Okay, and I will be also going to add as a user here only, and let me show you the students. Number of students are 4 actually here. Okay, let's make a payment. Sonam Rai is making the payment. Email address is gmail.com. Country is India. Okay, sorry, India. And here I have selected the country. State is Madhya Pradesh. Okay, and your payment information, so I am going to use this test card for now, and I am going to click on success, and you can see the test card has added successfully. Let's complete this order. Okay, and waiting for the payment. Yes, the payment has been made. Let me check my Teachable account. Let me refresh it and see whether I have added as a user, as a student in this particular course or not automatically. This is a course, and let me check the details, and you can see a few seconds ago Sonam Rai has just got enrolled into the same course of Teachable. So you can also set this amazing automation into your business. Simply watch this video tutorial till end. Okay, and to create this automation, I am going to integrate my Pabbly subscription billing software with the Teachable software. Okay, but sadly there is no direct connection in between these two applications. That is why in order to build this connection, I am going to use a software, an automation software called as Pabbly Connect. So let's proceed. Come to your browser and type pabbly.com/connect in your browser and press enter. This is how you will reach to the landing page of our automation software. Now from this blue button, create your free account. The account creation is absolutely free, and you will also get 100 free tasks so that you can actually test these kind of automations absolutely free. Okay, now click on access now. I already had an account, that's why I have reached to the dashboard directly. Now in order to start creating the automation, click on this blue button, create workflow, and give any random name to your workflow. Let's say I am giving the name as automate the student enrollment process. Okay, student enrollment process. Okay, click on create. Once you will click on create, you will see 2 boxes in front of you. These are actually trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Let's understand with an example that when a sale is happen in any payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail. When a form is submitted, let's say Google Forms, Send a message via Twilio application. According to our use case, when the payment is received in Pabbly Subscription Billing, enroll the user to Teachable account. Okay, so let's begin with the process and choose our first application, which is Pabbly Subscription Billing. Okay, now the idea here is that I am going to create the connection in between Pabbly Subscription Billing and Pabbly Connect. This is going to be my first step. How I can actually create this connection? Choose your trigger event as payment is received. Okay, sorry, successful payment should be the trigger. Okay, after choosing the trigger event, you will see a webhook URL and some set of instructions. Okay, kindly follow these instructions in order to build the connection. Let me tell you how you'll have to do is copy this webhook URL and go to this application. Okay, let me open my application. So Pabbly Subscription Billing is the application of Pabbly Connect only. That's why I can actually access the application from here only. And I have the account of Pabbly Subscription Billing from the same account. That's why I am able to access it right from here. And let's go to the webhook section. Basically, I need to paste this particular webhook URL here in the setting tabs under the webhook section. Okay, where are the webhook section? Here it is. Click on webhooks and from here you can actually add your webhook. Okay, paste the same URL which we have just copied, okay, from Pabbly Connect. This is the URL I have copied and pasted it here. Now let's fill other details. Select products. Basically, on purchase of which particular product I need to enroll the students. So I only have a single product in my account. That's why I'm going to choose the same, that is 45 days aerobics fitness program, on the purchase of which I want to enroll the student in Teachable. Now what is the plan? So the plan is also one single plan I have in my account and the webhook URL is the same. I think I have made a mistake, a little mistake here. I had to give the name to my webhook. So I can give it as trigger when the course is sold. Okay, I have give this particular name and here I will have to paste my webhook URL. For now, I am not selecting these boxes. Let me fill other details. So basically, on which particular event I want that Pabbly Connect should capture the data. So I want on successful payment. That is why I'm going to select this particular option and finally going to save it. And you will see the webhook will be added. Trigger when the course is sold. This was actually the previous webhook which I have tested earlier. I can actually delete it for now. Okay. Now let's come back to Pabbly Connect and see what it is saying. So you can read it here, waiting for webhook's response. What does that mean? Log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission and record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So basically, I'll have to go to my Pabbly Subscription Billing account and make a test payment. So this is the product section where I have created my product. My product is actually the 45 days aerobics program. Let me open this particular plan and open the checkout page. Okay. So this is my product of $499. I am going to make a purchase here. The person who is making the payment is Sonam. The last name is Rai. Email address is ashirai824@gmail.com. Okay. Country is India. And country is India. And the state is Madhya Pradesh. You can make your payment. Okay, I'm doing it just for the testing purpose, and that is why I'm going to select this test card and click on the success, and you can see the test card details has added automatically. Now I'm going to click on complete order and you will see that the payment will be made successfully. And let's cross the finger that whether the Pabbly Connect is capturing the data, and yes, you can see the data has been arrived in Pabbly Connect. Okay, let me check the details. Where is the email ID? You can see the name which I have added. while making the purchase. This is the same email address, okay, and here are other details. The state is here, card details is here, everything has been captured by Pabbly Connect. So that means our first step of integration, that is connecting Pabbly Connect with Pabbly Subscription Billing, is successful. Let's move further. What is our next step? So basically I want to enroll the same person, the Sonam Rai, to my Teachable course automatically. That is why I am going to choose Teachable here. And my action event will be what? The action event will be, of course, enroll user in a course. Okay, click on connect and give access. Give your Teachable access here. Okay, provide the access here, email, password, and subdomain. So from where you will get this subdomain, the instructions are already given here. Let me tell you. Go to your Teachable account, and this is the school which I have created in my Teachable account. And for the subdomain, you will have to copy the part before the .teachable.com. Okay, the part before the .teachable.com, basically your school name. Okay, so this is the school name, oh sorry, the subdomain I have copied and I am pasting it here. Email address, the email address is actually admin@pabbly.com, and the password is I am going to add my password also. Okay, you can add your own and simply click on save, and this is how you will be connected to your Teachable account. You can see it is showing connected. Let's come here and fill all the fields one by one. Now what is this field? Course. So whatever the course I have in my Teachable account, let me show you. Actually it is already open. This is the course section. Whatever the courses I have in my Teachable account, all of them has started visible here in Pabbly Connect. You can see PHP for beginners, sports training. Let me show you PHP for beginners, sports training. I have created which course? Let me show you my course. This is my course, okay? And I would like to enroll my students in this particular course. That is why I am going to choose, okay, it is actually not visible. I will have to refresh it once, okay? And let's check it, and you can see 45 days aerobics course program, fitness program is visible here. Now the email ID, basically for automatically enrolling the user, of course I will have to provide an email ID. From where I will get it? Remember, we have captured the data of the user in our Pabbly Subscription Billing response. I am going to map the same data here, and I do not have to actually copy that data and paste it here. Simply click here and you will see the data will be visible here only, and you'll have to simply click on that particular value and it is going to fill automatically based on every form submission. Let me see where is the email ID of that person who has made the payment. Ashi Rai was the person. Let me actually search it. Ashi Rai. Okay, you can see the email ID is here, okay, and I can map it. And again, the special thing about this mapping is we do not have to do this setting again and again. The customer email, the user email will be changed automatically based on every new payment. This is the best part about mapping, about this automation. Now the username, basically the name and the password, well, I am actually leaving it for now, because once the user will be enrolled to Teachable course, he or she will be received an email via Teachable only, from where they can actually create their username and password by their own. If you want to create this username and password by your own, you can actually give the values, okay, any values from here. Name can be actually mapped from here only. The password can be also mapped as some unique value you can actually map from here, and then from this plus section you can actually even send it to your student, your customer, via Gmail, via WhatsApp. Okay, for now I am leaving it blank, and now I am going to click on save and send test request, and I will see that in my course, where is my course? Actually it is here in my 45 days aerobics fitness program. Let me open the student section. Okay, Okay, these are the students, and I'm going to see on clicking on save and send test request whether the Sonam Rai is getting added here in this particular program, getting enrolled in this particular fitness program course or not automatically. Okay, so let me click on save and send test request and see what is the response I am getting, and fingers crossed. Okay, the response is received. That means the user should be added, must be added. Okay, let me check my Teachable account and refresh it once. Okay, this is not the window, actually this is the correct window. Okay, click on refresh, and you can see a few seconds ago Ashirai 824, she has just enrolled into our aerobics fitness program. Since I have not provided any name, that is why the name is not visible here. If I'm gonna provide a name, then the name will be start visible here also. Let me check the details, and you can see the first name of the customer, give a space, and the last name, where it is. Again, let's go to the bottom. Okay, and this is the last name. Okay, and now I am going to click on save, and we will see the name is getting captured or not. Okay, let's refresh it, and you can see the name has also updated here automatically. Okay, that means the connection between Pabbly Subscription Billing and Teachable is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards, whenever someone is going to purchase the product, basically purchase the course in Pabbly Subscription Billing, that particular user will be enrolled in Teachable course automatically. And generally people ask me even after watching the full tutorial that do they need to set up this automation again and again. So let me tell you, once you will set up this automation in between Pabbly Subscription Billing and Teachable, you can simply close it. The automation will work automatically in backend. Okay, whenever someone is going to make the payment, someone is going to buy this course, they will be enrolled automatically. They will get access to your course automatically. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, one more thing, that I will add the link of my workflow of this automation in the description box. So in case you want to clone the same automation in your account, simply go to that link and clone it. This same automation will be cloned in your account, and all you have to do is to connect your applications and you will all set to go. And not just Pabbly Subscription Billing and Teachable automation, one can create several kind of automation in Pabbly Connect. Check our YouTube channel, you will find amazing automation ideas from there. Thank you for watching.